Buy the rumor, sell the news. And the rumor is that they're going to raise the Fed rates 100 points. They do that just off of hearing a rumor, is making everything crash. Then the news, once it come out, say they just raised it 75, is going to shoot up. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Lando Success. The market is starting off bad again in this weekend. It's everything I expected for this month. I talked about it in numerous videos, said exactly what's going to happen, and it's happening. So in this video, we're going to talk about why is crypto crashing? Why is the market still crashing? What we can do about it and more. Just hit that like button for a player. So let's look at crypto market first. Crypto is down 4%, and it was down even further. You had Bitcoin well under 19,000. We haven't seen that in a while. You see it's at $19,070. If you look at it around 10 p.m. last night, bam, it crashed down past 19,000 and went low as 18,400. Now it's starting to rebound a little bit, which is expected. And if you look at the major hitters, you have Ethereum down 24% in the last week. Ethereum went down, under 1,300. It's trying to approach, back to those $1,000 levels, which I would absolutely love. Perfect time to buy in because I'm about to be buying heavy and I need this price to stay down, which I think will stay down for like 2 more weeks at the most, and it's going to shoot back up. So this is opportunity to buy. Everything is down. You can get on a great discount. Shout out to Chris. It's his birthday, one of the Patreon members. Instead of him getting money on his birthday, he get an opportunity to get more money. So yeah, crypto is definitely down. If we go over to the stock market, and I'm looking on them on Moomoo. Shout out to Moomoo. Get you 15 free stocks this month. All right, so let's do. We'll see who's doing the best today. You have Xpeng and you have all the airlines. American Airlines, United Airlines, Southwest, Delta, Mesa. All the airlines, Futu is doing good. They're in the green. You see Tesla is back over $300, $304. Meta been getting beat up bad lately. They're up a little bit. Apple and everybody else is down. Roblox getting beat up the most. Coinbase, since that's involved with crypto. Robinhood, Snap been getting beat up a lot lately. And Amazon is close to even, probably finished today up. So it's going to be an interesting day. It started off 275 points down. I think it probably could finish in the green after they go through all the data and stuff. And you see before the bell, started off 275 basis points. I mean, not 275 points down. So this is the deal, right? People that understand what's going on in the market, we was expecting, right? We was expecting Jerome Powell to come out on his next meeting and raise the Fed rates 75 basis points. Literally 75 points, because the last like 4 times has been 75 points. So everybody was expecting that. If that happened, the market will probably just get freaky for about 2 days. That's it. Nothing too much. Just what everybody expected. Now you had about 25% of people expected him to finally lower it and go to 50 points. Once he go down to 50, the market, in my opinion, would have completely shot up, because that's an indication and a sign that the market is finally cooling down, inflation calming down, so we don't have to raise these interest rates. That's a big ripple effect towards real estate and so many other different markets, right? But recently, we are hearing different things about them possibly raising it 100 basis points. If that happened, oh boy. So just from a few articles saying that, everybody is shook and everybody's scared. That's why the market is falling, because that's a possibility. So if we read this article right here, it say the Fed may just get it over with by raising rates as much as 100 basis points at the next meeting and then hiking one more time, says market bull Ed Yardeni. I think that's how you say his name. The Federal Reserve could defy expectations and raise benchmarks rates 100 points at the next policy meeting. After August consumer price index came in hotter than expected, the president of the chief investment strategist, researcher, so on. So it seems to me that they are committed to raising the interest rate significantly at this next meeting. Yardeni told CNBC on Friday, I do think they're going to come around and conclude that they maybe get it over with, maybe 100 basic points instead of 75, and then maybe one more hike after that. Just off of hearing something like that, the market is shook because this is somebody that's supposed to know what's really going on. He could not, a lot of these analysts don't know a damn thing. But if he's right, that's not technically good, because what happened with the first small little crash is when the CPI data came out and nobody basically expected the CPI data to come in higher. They thought it was going to be in the negative. That got everything popping. And now everybody looking at Jerome Powell like, yo, rent prices are going up. Shelter is going up. Food is still going up. Okay, gas is going down, but everything else is going up. We need to raise it again. And oh boy, that's crazy. So that's basically what's going on. My opinion, not a financial advice, because I'm not a financial advisor. My opinion is, now remember, it's the next meeting is on the 20th and 21st. That's when everybody knows what's going on. Is take advantage. I told everybody this was going to happen. With crypto market, I literally took you guys to this chart and I said, we're going to be down 7% in crypto in September. I said that when we was up 11%. This showed 11%, people. And I was like, no, this is false. This is cap. September is historically a bad month. It's been bad for the last 5 months. I don't believe it was going to be a green month. I said it was 7 last 2 months. It's going to be 7 this month. So basically, where Bitcoin is at right now is going to end lower. It's going to end around here, 18.85 or one of these, whatever is going to make it 7 points. We shall see. That is my opinion on that situation. But October is going to be an explosive green month. So you should be buying right now. Buying. Buy the rumor, sell the news. And the rumor is that they're going to raise the Fed rates 100 points. They do that just off of hearing a rumor, is making everything crash. Then the news, once they come out, say they just raised it 75, is going to shoot up. It's not rocket science, people. It's not rocket science. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for a player. Talk to you guys soon. I'm Lando Success.
Black boy, you could fly. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose.